Hello, my name is Deanna Hart, and I'm going to talk about the overusage of tablets with children. Hello, are you listening to me? I don't know how many times I have to say it before I just take your tablet away. I've said this so many times to my siblings. My purpose of this speech is to show that regulating children usage with tablets, such as iPads, Kindles, is not good for children development. I will do this by showing tablet usage affects children's cognitive skills, physical exercise, and they have a dependency on them. Now that you understand my intentions, I will begin explaining myself and my first point. Overusage of tablets has led to a major problem in communication skills. Heath McCoy from the University of Calgary, 2019, says children who had excessive screen time were failing to meet developmental milestones in language and communication, problem solving, and fine, gross, and motor skills. This is a major problem. Without these basic developmental skills early on, children will struggle later in life and their childhood. Childhood Early Life and Development says that the first 5 years of childhood is the most important developmentally. This is because children learn more in the first 5 years than any other years. This means that these years are critically important in communication, and introducing tablets early could lead to children being impaired for the rest of their lives. Aside from this cognitive learning, free rein on tablets brings about physical risk factors. Overusage of tablets is a major problem because of the lack of physical activity. Physical activity is important for children, which is something that children have been lacking. The World Health Organization states that children under 5 must spend less time watching screens to get better sleep and to have more time for active play if they are to grow up healthy. Children have not been getting the exercise that they need. This means that overusage of tablets with children have prevented them from getting proper exercise, which can lead to further issues, and it's a risky path to go down. If they got more exercise, they could sleep better, and they would also have more active play, which is critical for cognitive and physical development. Furthermore, this overusage has made children dependent on tablets. Overusage of tablets has led to a problem with children being addicted to the games and programs that they watch and play. Take my family, for example. My sister and I, who is 17, I'm 23, were required to have family dinner every single night. It was an important time for my family to catch up and bond. Now, my other sister, 11, and my brother, 7, cannot manage to have dinner without their tablets in front of them. They pitch a complete fit. There's no communication and no catching up. That's how dependent they are with tablets. This dependency, matched with the previous issues, are bad for children. My point is that the lack of regulation with children and tablet usage is affecting their development, physical skills, and they are dependent on them. I've done this by showing you all three. Children should interact with their families, and if you want to fix this issue, make sure that your children are having quality dinner time with you, communicating, and that you're regulating their time with their tablets. This is important for their development, and I feel very strongly about this, and you should too. Thank you so much.